Hello students. So in this video I am going to discuss a numerical based on photo detector. So let's start this video. So I have written a numerical question. PIN photodiode has a junction capacitance of 16 picofarad as an active area of 10 millimeter square and responsivity. So responsivity is nothing same as the sensitivity. The unit is 0.5 ampere per watt. Is illuminated by a light of intensity. So intensity of a light falling on photodiode is 1 milliwatt per centimeter square. Output voltage is obtained by connecting a 100 kilo ohm load RL in series with detector. The steady state voltage across RL will be. So suppose this is the photodiode. Now it is illuminated by a light and voltage is obtained by connecting a resistance in series. Suppose this is the load resistance. The value of load resistance is given as 100 kilo ohm. We have to calculate the output voltage, the steady state voltage across RL. So we know when the light is falling on photodetector, a current will flow, that is called the photocurrent. Right? Now output voltage, the steady state voltage across RL will be, that is equal to IP into RL. This is nothing but a photocurrent into the value of load resistance. So we have to calculate this photocurrent. So to calculate the photocurrent, the given information is intensity of a light is given, active area is given, and the responsivity is given. So what is intensity? Let's see the unit, that is milliwatt per centimeter square. So intensity is equal to power falling per unit area, and this area is nothing but active area, and the active area is 10 millimeter square, but the unit is 1 milliwatt divided by centimeter square. So area must be in, active area must be in centimeter square. So given is 10 millimeter square, so we will convert into centimeter square. So this is the optical power divided by 10 into, convert this in centimeter square, so 10 raised to power minus 2 centimeter square. So this centimeter square get cancelled and the optical power will come out to be 10 into 10 raised to power minus 2 milliwatt. Now this is the optical power. Next information given is the responsivity. So see the unit, that is ampere divided by watt. So ampere means photocurrent divided by optical power. So we have calculated the optical power from this. Sensitivity or the responsivity or the sensitivity is same. That comes out to be 0.5 ampere per watt. So that is equal to 0.5, and the current is photocurrent divided by optical power, but it is in watt, but the given is calculated, so we will convert this into watt. So that is equal to 10 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 watt. So photocurrent, that will be come out to be 0.5 into 10 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So the final output voltage will come out to be photocurrent, that is 0.5 into 10, so that is nothing but 5. So we will, this get 0 get cancelled, 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 100k, k and 10 raised to minus 3 get cancelled. So this is V. Now this 2 will get cancelled, so output voltage will be 5 volt. So final output voltage comes out to be 5 volt. Thank you.